guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I've reached out to you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use aloe vera to get rid of your under eye circle or your dark circle. So if you've been looking for ways to get rid of dark circle or to get rid of eye bags or whatnot, then in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that. For the eye bag, I'm going to tell you some of the causes of I'm going to tell you some of the causes of eye bag. One causes of eye bag is as a result of improper sleep. So we are supposed to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours. So if you don't have proper sleep at night, you are prone to have eye bag the next morning. Some other times it's caused as a result of aging. So the older you get, you notice you tend to start your eye bag tend to start increasing. Other causes of eye bag can be as a result of genetics. So you cannot control this. Maybe as a result of either of your parents having eye bag, you can be prone to having eye bag. So if you have eye bag as a result of any of this reason I just stated to you guys, then in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that. Like I stated earlier on, this video also helps to get rid of under eye circle or dark circle under your eyes. So if you have a darkness around your eyes, it can be if you have a dark circle around your eyes, I'm going to tell you guys what causes a dark circle or dark under eye. Number one reason that causes a dark under eye is a result of being overly exposed to the sun. So when you have when you're overly exposed to the sun without the use of a sunscreen, you notice you start having a dark under eye. Nothing that causes a dark under eye is as a result of aging. So the older you get, you realize you start having a dark under eye. Another thing that causes a dark under eye is as a result of genetics. So some people naturally have a dark under eye. They either got it from either their parents, their mom, dad, or grandparents. And some people have a dark under eyes as a result of using a wrong cream or a cream that is super harmful for their skin. So if you use a skin bleaching product, it can actually result in a dark circle or a dark under eye. So if you have any of the above I stated, or if you have a dark circle or eye bag as a result of the reasons I just stated above, look no further. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use aloe vera to get rid of your eye bag and to get rid of also your puffy eyes or your under eye circle. You're going to be making use of aloe vera gel as the key ingredient. You can either use the bottled aloe vera gel or you can also use the plant aloe vera gel. Either of the two is completely fine. For this video I'm going to be using the bottled aloe vera gel because that is what I have available. But if you have the plant aloe vera gel, that is also fine. It works magnificently. And if you like to see how I made this remedy and of course how to use it to get rid of your dark under eye or your eye bag, then all you have to do is to keep watching this video up until the end. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Do so by clicking on the red subscribe button down below. It is absolutely free. Also, right beside the subscribe button, you find the notification bell icon. Click on it. That way, each time I post a video, YouTube gets to notify you about my upload. Also, guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, do not hesitate to smash the like button. And of course, share this video to your family, friends, and loved ones. Let's get right into this video. Our first ingredient for this remedy is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has immense beauty benefits and helps the skin by providing moisture, reducing dark spots, sunburns, and other blemishes on your face, and also helps with healing acne and acne scars. So this is the benefit of our aloe vera. I'm going to show you guys our next ingredients. Our next ingredient is rose water. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties which helps in reducing the redness of the skin and get rid of acne and pimple. It's a great cleanser and aids in removing excess oil and impurities from pores. So this is the benefit of all our ingredients. I'm going to move over to show you guys how to mix these ingredients all up together. Let's go, guys. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of my aloe vera gel. This is 1 teaspoon of my aloe vera gel. And then this is the 2nd teaspoon of my aloe vera gel. I'm going to add half teaspoon of my rose water, and then I'm going to mix and stir this all up together. So once I'm done mixing and stirring, at this point my remedy is ready to go up on my skin. I'm going to show you guys how to use this to get rid of your dark under eye. Okay guys, so that is how to make that remedy. In order to use this remedy, although I have illustrated to you guys I've illustrated to you guys how to use that, but I didn't speak during that video, so I'm going to run you guys through the process of using this. So all you have to do is, once you're done making this, you need to store this in an airtight container, a container that has a cover, and then store this in your refrigerator. So each night or every night, all you need to do is grab this remedy on your fingertips and apply this under your eyes. You need to apply this gently because the skin under our eyes is quite sensitive, so you do not damage the skin around that area. You need to just gently apply this and then massage it for about a minute. Then of course you go to bed with it. Then the next morning you can of course rinse this off. You're supposed to use this every single day in order to see effective results. You can also use this during the day if you're not going to be going anywhere. You can use this during the weekend or whilst you're not going anywhere. Use this, apply this on your under eye, and after 15 minutes you can rinse this off if you're going to be using it during the day. But at night time you don't need to rinse it off. You need to go to bed with it, and no time this will help you to reduce the darkness around your eye area, and also this will help to reduce the puffiness around your eye area, because you know darkness and puffiness around our eye area tend to make us look older than our age, and no one wants to look older than his or her age. So if you don't want to look older than your age, this is one thing you need to do. This also works. This is also a good eye cream. So even if you don't have dark under eye, you don't have puffiness around your eye, you can use this as an eye cream. You don't have to wait until you're 60, 50, 40 before you start using a eye cream. You need to actually take care of your under eye, because that is the first place our age starts to show on our face. The eye area is the first place I notice whenever I want to know the actual age of someone. So if you take proper care of your under eye, you tend to look much more younger than your actual age. I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. I hope you've learned a thing or two on how to take care of your skin, particularly your under eye. If you enjoyed watching this video and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please guys, subscribe to my channel. Do so by clicking on the red subscribe button down below this video. It is absolutely free. Right beside the subscribe button, you're going to find a notification bell icon. Smash it. That way anytime I post a video, YouTube gets to notify you. Also guys, if you find this content meaningful or in one way or the other you learned something, do not hesitate to smash the like button, and of course share this video to your family, friends and loved ones. Until I come your way next time, I remain your dearest host, Ogochukwu. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I love you guys. Bye guys.